This is Nancy with Creative Fun, and my daughter has some of these horses. I don't know if they're, this one I think is a Breyer horse, and she wanted to create a fence or a corral for dressage or something like that. And so I've been working on creating a fence out of some coffee stirrers or popsicle sticks you could use. These are what we've worked with. These are Fresh Impressions coffee stirrers, and we got them on Amazon. They're actually my son's because he bought them for his coffee. And anyway, so we got these things. They're about 8 inches long, and officially they're 7 inches long by a 1/4 inch wide. And so what I did after playing around for a little bit is I came up with a pattern that I liked, and then I took it and sketched it out onto a piece of paper. So this here is my pattern. Just like that. And you could adjust it to make it whatever pattern you want. Just wanted to show you that you can create a pattern, and here it is. It's got 3 vertical bars and then 2 cross bars, just like this. And I hot glue gunned them together. So let me show you how we did this. You can take a pair of scissors and you could actually measure it in half. That's not exactly half, I think it's about here. Or you can estimate it. Best thing would be to probably measure it. And I've been doing this for a little bit, so I'm pretty close right there. But you cut a few of these. They don't cut, they're not that hard to cut with the scissors. They might be hard for a kid to cut, but they're just not that difficult. You just need to get them that close. Cut some up. And then I take them and I align them actually like that. I like to put the round part at the bottom, but you could do it either way. And so we have those, and we have so we need 5 pieces like that, plus 2 long ones. So we're gonna slide these out of the way, put the 2 long ones on, and I have a hot glue gun over here. And I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on this top left, bottom left. Having the horizontal lines here really helps so you get the right distance, so you're a little bit consistent. Like so. Try to keep it square. Do the middle. I tried lining them up ahead of time. And doing like a whole bunch of glue all at once, and that wasn't really very good because they would dry up by the time I actually got to it. And then do the right side. Like so. And you could stop just like that, or you could add one, one like this to make it a fence. You could make it smaller than this, half the size, perhaps for one of the smaller horses, just have it a smaller little fence, whatever, it look cute. And then we did do these 2 verticals, or diagonals, I should call them. Put one glue here, and glue here. Here and one over here. This looks a little bit short. Let's use this one. Like so. And you let it dry for a little bit. I like to keep it off the paper. Like so. And it really, within 5 minutes, it's cooled off and ready to go. And I've made a bunch of these. I'm playing around with the idea of actually gluing them together to make a whole little section here. So we could do this. Connect them maybe with glue. Rubber bands might work. Tying them together to make the shape that you want. And And there you have it. So it's really, you need one, two, this gets cut in half, 3, 4, and then 1.5 more. So you need about 5 sticks and some hot glue, and you can create a cute little fence for your kid or for yourself to put around whatever you want. So, all right, I think that's about it. Trying to do short, sweet, and if you have any questions or comments, write them down below. This is Nancy with Creative Fun, and thank you for watching.